A random person just made over $71,000 in a single day on Pump.fun, and with their new update, creators have a shot at making the same money easily. In this video, I'll share with you what Pump.fun is very briefly. I'll talk about their new update, and I'll also show you how you can potentially earn $71,000 in one day. Let's dive in. Now, if you live under a rock, Pump.fun is a launchpad where anyone can create and trade meme coins within seconds. It's one of the most successful protocols from 2024 and 2025, and it is the starting point for many viral tokens. Pump.fun recently pivoted from being just a launchpad to becoming a social fi platform where creators can share the revenue with Pump.fun and earn massive rewards. If you're a creator on Pump.fun, every time someone trades your token, you, the creator, earn a portion of the trading fees. This is called the creator fee. Now, these fees can fund the marketing campaign for the token, content creation, community growth, whatever you might want. Now, the problem is that previously the fees that you could get was 0.05%, which was basically nothing and didn't make any real impact on any real token launch. It's not enough money to fund campaigns or keep the momentum alive for any token. And then the game changer new Pump.fun update came, which is called Project Ascend, and it aims to supercharge its ecosystem with dynamic fees, a tiered fee system that boosts creator rewards up to 10x higher than if it was previously. In the new update, the fees that the creators get are tied to the market cap of the token they created. The higher the market cap, the lower the fees. That basically encourages anyone to launch a token and rewards them the most at the early days of the token. If the market cap of any creator's token is under 420 SOL, it's only 0.3%, but if the project's market cap gets to between 420 and 1,470 SOL, the revenue goes up to 0.95%. And as you can see here, it drops gradually as the project grows. This completely changes the game because it's not only that creators earn much more, but also new creators earn the highest possible revenue share, encouraging the creators to launch their tokens and take care of their communities in the early days. And the proof is in the pudding. In the last 12 hours, creators claimed $1.3 million in fees. The top earner pulled in 370 SOL, which is about $76,000 in just one day. Of course, thousands of new streams launched, over 200,000 daily stream viewers tuned in, and Pump.fun's co-founder Elon actually said they're just getting started. He says they're not even half a day into the rollout, and creators who have never launched a coin before are making tens of thousands in fees. It sounds super simple, so you might be thinking, how can you get started? And it is actually super simple. It's 4 simple steps. 1, you can create your own coin on Pump.fun/create and just simply deploy the token within 10 seconds. 2, you gotta promote your token. Please don't just create tokens so you can rug your family and friends and, sell the world that this is the best investment, but create something that is actually unique, actually valuable, the drill. And then 3, once your token is being traded and people start viewing your streams and start recognizing your token, you can simply just go onto the claim reward tab on Pump.fun and claim the rewards straight into your wallet. And 4, please take at least a portion of your funds and just put it back into the token, buy your token back, do something great for your community. Don't just put it in your pocket and just disappear, because that's not nice. And when it's all said and done, Pump's new direction is clearly working. Creators earn up to 10x more fees to fund their projects, communities have more resources to promote and growth and hopefully create better communities, and the Pump chart is going parabolic. Now, I kind of saw this coming the whole way, and I'll be very, very bullish on Pump. I share this all with you here on my daily updates on the channel. I called this trade, which was a 50% move so far and made over $7,000 in the past few weeks. If you want to catch trades like these and navigate the market by only watching a 10-minute market update video a day, start by watching today's video, which is up here. This is an update from today, and subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notifications on. And if you like this, let me know in a comment and come back for another one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.